Well, hello Sugarfoot. Make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. And give this video a thumbs up for our sponsors, Tinashe Hair. Make sure to check the description box for all of their information, but I am so in love with this custom colored wig. Okay, so this is the inside of it. It's more so like a closure wig, so it's not a full frontal wig, but I must say, even though it's been a really long time since I've used a wig like this one was very easy and straight to the point. I didn't have to fight with it or anything. I just went ahead and cut on my curling irons. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It heats up super duper fast, okay? And this hair held curls like nobody's business. It's very self-explanatory, this video. So again, you know, here is a little slight length check. Full video coming very soon, but this is my latest protective style. Keep watching.
See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want you. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be
I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna